We continue our lesson about word formation in English using suffixes. Today's suffix is ness. Ness is used in English to form nouns. It's added to a base word that must be an adjective. Ness means the state or the quality of being. Ill or sick are adjectives. He is sick or he is ill. If you add the suffix ness to both of them, you get the nouns illness and sickness, which means the state of being sick or ill. The flu is an illness or the flu is sickness. Dark is another adjective. It's dark over there, I can't see. Add ness to this adjective and you'll get the noun darkness. Heart of Darkness is a novel written by Joseph Conrad. Lonely is another adjective. It's composed from the base word lone, which means being single or unaccompanied, plus the suffix ly. Add ness to lonely to get loneliness. Never forget, transform the final y of lonely into an I when you add the suffix ness. Loneliness means the state of being lonely. Loneliness killed him. Being gentle, kind, and soft doesn't mean being weak. The adjectives gentle, kind, soft, weak turn to gentleness, kindness, softness, weakness when you add the suffix ness. These nouns mean the state or quality of being gentle, kind, soft, or weak. Nervousness is the state of being nervous. This noun is formed out of the adjective nerves, which is formed itself by adding the suffix us to the noun nerve, plus ness. His nervousness frightens me. Effective is another adjective formed by adding the suffix "ive" to the noun effect. If you add ness to effective, you get effectiveness, and it means the state of being effective or the quality of being effective. What's the effectiveness of the internet if it doesn't help me improve? The formation of homelessness follows the same pattern. Split this noun into a base word or a root and a suffix. You get homeless plus the suffix ness. Homeless itself is no more than the noun home plus the suffix less, which means without a home. Homelessness is the state of being without a home. This problem of homelessness is spread in rich countries. Willing is an adjective. It's composed out of will plus the suffix ing. This is a gerund. Add ness to this gerund and you'll get the noun willingness, which means the state or quality of willing. I admire your willingness. The adjective respectful is no more than respect plus the suffix full. Add the suffix ness to get respectfulness, which means the state of being respectful. Mutual respectfulness is necessary in constructive dialogues. Can you tell now, how is this word formed? I'll count up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it's the adjective reasonable plus the suffix ness. Reasonable itself is no more than the base word reason plus the suffix able. Reasonableness means the state of being reasonable. There's no reasonableness in his claims. No matter whether your adjective is composed from one single base word like ill, sick, weak, dark, gentle, kind, soft, or composed from a base word and a suffix like respectful, homeless, lonely, novice, effective. All you need to do to form a noun out of these adjectives is to add the suffix ness. The rule is reversible. If you want to derive an adjective out of a noun that ends with the suffix ness, omit the suffix and you'll discover the adjective at the base of its formation. So easy, isn't it?